Woodworking has been more than just a hobby for Kumar. It has been a lifelong passion. For over 2 decades, he dabbled in it occasionally, crafting small pieces like shelves. In 2020, when the pandemic confined us all indoors, Kumar's passion for woodworking truly flourished. During one of our conversations in those early days of lockdown, I proposed a project that would channel his skills into something with a deeper purpose: building home puja mandirs. What is a home puja mandir? In Hindu culture, a home puja mandir is a small sacred shrine used for daily prayers and meditation, which includes statues, images of Hindu gods adorned with traditional items like garlands, lamps, incense, and offerings. A key feature of the home mandirs is the gopura, a carved tower structure often seen on the top of the shrine. Designs vary from wooden and metal structures to elaborate pieces with intricate carvings. Regardless of the style, the mandirs always served as a peaceful and spiritual focal point. Historically, these detailed carvings were labor intensive, required immense manual skill and patience, especially during the 70s and 80s when we saw artisans work with non electric tools. By 2020, the process of building mandirs had evolved significantly thanks to the modern tools and technology. Kumar quickly embraced these tools. His dedication to the craft led him to invest his time and resources in understanding new tools and techniques. The availability of high quality equipment like cordless drills, miter saws, routers, sanders, and many more enabled him to achieve precision and efficiency that would have been impossible decades ago. This technology shift didn't just reduce the time required to build a puja mandir from months to days, it also expanded creative possibilities. Technology became an enabler, allowing him to blend the best of the traditional craftsmanship with the speed and precision of modern machinery. As Kumar refined his skills, we began to notice an abundance of discarded wooden furniture in the local markets. Pieces that were no longer needed by their owners were still in excellent condition. This sparked the idea of upcycling those furnitures into puja mandirs. This approach would align with our values of sustainability, allowing us to repurpose old furniture into beautiful functional puja mandirs. I took on the task of sourcing the furniture, selecting armors, cabinets, and shelves that could be transformed into mandirs. Each piece brought a unique charm to the final product. Together, Kumar and I would discuss the design, additional traditional elements like gopura, layered shelving for deities, a space for lamps, bells, and garlands. Upcycling not only made the process more sustainable but also brought deep personal fulfillment. In a world driven by consumerism, our upcycling efforts felt like a meaningful way to contribute to a more sustainable future. Kumar's journey of crafting home puja mandirs exemplified the harmonious blend of culture, technology, and sustainability. At its core, this project was about persevering and honoring Hindu traditions passed down through generations. Simultaneously, the use of modern technology transformed the woodworking process. What was once a labor intensive and time consuming task became efficient and precise. Kumar's workshop became a hub of innovation where modern tools helped him craft mandirs that maintained the integrity of traditional design while embracing modern aesthetics. Our commitment to sustainability through upcycling further enriches the project. By repurposing existing furniture, we made a conscious choice to reduce our environmental footprint. This effort to merge craftsmanship with environmental responsibility gave us a deep sense of purpose.